Here's a little Deniseology for you. Let's talk about positive relationships. You know, as a wife and a mom, I know how great it feels to be needed. One of the biggest emotional needs for all of us is to feel appreciated. Today, I want you to go out and tell everyone that you really care about, your family, your husband, your children, your great friends, how much you appreciate them, because being appreciated is the best feeling. Try also to surround yourself with the people that you really care about. Try to focus on the people you want to spend time and energy with. Sometimes a lot of the people you're dealing with, you don't really need to spend all your energy on them, especially if they make you feel bad. So stick with the people that you feel good about and stay happy, and that will help you too. Because a lot of us women have a hard time saying no to many things that don't really matter, that don't really count. Today I want you to, again, feel appreciated by all and tell them that you appreciate them. Stay fit, and I'll see you every single morning right here on your daily workout. Bye-bye.